Good morning. Good morning. Oh my god, I hope my microphone is working because I just replugged it again. So, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I think it should be alright. Okay, alright, everyone. So, here we are again. And as you can see, I'm already in a trade. And let me summon up what the hell is going on here because I don't even know. I know I have lots of stuff opened up, including this account and including my Ninja Trader account. What the hell is going on here? Anyway, this is NQ. Don't worry, guys. Everything's fine. I just want to rearrange my screen here. I don't want my background to be in the picture. There. Now it's better. Okay, so this is NQ on the right side. The left side is also NQ. This is a 30-second chart. Sarvesh! Sarvesh, my man. You deserve an applause. I have something news for you, Sarvesh. And I'm proud to declare this. It's actually open because I'm going to show you, Sarvesh, because you're one of the regulars here. I just asked for a payout from TopStep. There you go. There you go. So this is my real name, of course, Tom as Tamás. That's the Hungarian acronym for, this is the Hungarian name for Tom, Tamás. So I successfully managed to pull out $885 from my Express funded account. Today, that's it. I just got the information, so the request was successful, everything was fine. So yeah, $885 from TopStep. Guys, I'm very proud of myself because, gotta be honest with you guys, I was suffering and I just had to do something about that. Oh, about this trade. Now this trade is, yeah, it took me out. That's a completely different account. So, yeah. The plan today, I'm going to tell you guys what's the plan. And I'm going to show you. Yeah, thank you so much, Sarvesh. So I'm going to show you what's the plan. Oh my god. Those were yesterday's trades. Oh, because this is a combine account. Sorry, I forgot that this is a combine account. Let me delete all this crap. These are markings and I want to delete those. Just some risk reward measuring here. And absolutely on the way with $800. I am definitely gonna be a Lambo guru very, very, very soon. Honestly, I'm not swimming in money, so I wanted to take out that money, despite the fact that it's going to put my safety cushion for the funded account. But I needed money to pay rent and stuff, because as I said, that's my sole income, Anyway, let's put on some levels here, all right? And I'm gonna show you what levels I'm thinking of. This is Nasdaq, and we're gonna go through some other stuff as well because I have some interesting stuff here. So this is yesterday midnight. This is the 15-minute Nasdaq chart. 15-minute Nasdaq chart. This is yesterday midnight. This is today midnight. The dotted line here is today midnight open, New York time. New York midnight open is the dotted line here, the dash dot line here. This is the price line. Don't mistake it. This green here is yesterday's high, and this one is yesterday's low. So let's go over. This thicker yellow line up there is actually, this is a 60-minute chart, and that's basically this week's high, or yesterday, no. Oh yeah, I know what that is. I have to show you a trading view. Let's go to trading view. Let's go to trading view. This is NQ trading view right now. So that line over there, the 15,468 level, right here. 15,468 level. Let's check that level. Let's just talk about that. NRT Trades is here as well. You, my God. Push the like button, guys, because the show is starting. All right. So, this line here, the 468 line. Let's check it on TradingView. All right, let's check it on TradingView. This is NASDAQ on TradingView. I'm only using this for higher time frame analysis, but here it is, the 15,468 level. Let's go to the daily and check what the hell is that. This is the daily NASDAQ. This is actually not valid. So this is the daily NASDAQ again. What do we see? What the hell is this? Oh, because, okay, anyway. What we see here, right here, from this area, right there, is a CB. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency on the daily. And as you can see, I refined it for the top, which is exactly the top of this candle, is 15,486.75. So that's the line here which I'm looking at, because overall today my bias for NASDAQ is definitely bullish. I'm not saying we can't just dump here like crazy, but we're so close. I mean, 383 to 468 is like nothing for NQ. I'm not saying it's going to do it in London, most likely not. But this is my daily preference. To go in there, and let's dive into the 1 hour chart. This is the 1 hour chart, NQ. To go in there, it's really nothing. For NQ, it's easy. I mean, NQ can drop or shoot like 300 points in 20 minutes. So it's not a big deal. So 468 level, that's what I'm looking at. And this is this line here. This is NinjaTrader chart with real data. 60-minute, of course. This is a 60-minute chart. But since we're here, we have to do some measurements again. Since we're here, this is the 60-minute NQ. Oh, really? I noticed that. I noticed that, man. When I looked to the right, yeah, something is wrong with my microphone. Something is definitely wrong, or with the filters, or I don't know with what. I'm gonna let me do something real quick. I do have some filters. I turned off the noise suppression and the compressor, but if I turn it on, I don't know. Something's not right with microphone. I'm sorry, guys. I will try to speak directly to the microphone so there won't be any major sound issues. I'm sorry about that. I do have to. Oh my God! Yeah, I see on the thing that it's too high sometimes. Anyway, maybe I have to do some. Noise suppression? No, still not good. Yeah. Oh, that's too high. That's too high. Maybe this way, but that's too low. Maybe this way. I don't know. I'm gonna keep it here. I'm sorry, guys. I will try to speak to the microphone directly. But let's do some measurements. I'll try to do something here. With the Fibonacci retracement. I want to measure the midpoint. Consequent encroachment. Consequent encroachment should be somewhere around 15,308. Sorry. Let's put a line here. This would be consequent encroachment of the hourly. 308. I'm not a professional at these NinjaTrader stuff. Let's give it a different color. Different color should be better. All right. Now this is a 1 hour consequent encroachment here. Man, the microphone sometimes, I see on the graph that sometimes it's extremely loud, and sometimes it's just too low. There is an issue, I can't solve it right now on stream. Alright, anyway. Let's go to the 15-minute. Let's go to the 15-minute chart, and maybe I will go a little bit further back from the microphone. I don't know. So this is the 15-minute NQ. As you can see, not much going on. The only thing that's going on is most likely this one wants to go higher to grab yesterday's highs, which is at the high is at 417.50. 417.50 up there. So we can go for that. As you can see, we do have this fair value gap, which could mean that price is just going to accumulate here and then go for one more push. And this is actually yesterday New York AM or London high. Was this was a London high, right? Let's check trading view. Let's check trading view once again, and yeah, this previous day high over there. So far, we're just waiting. I could take a trade, it's tempting, I know. But since midnight open, well, this is an hourly NQ. And by the way, because NQ is slow during the London session, what is a little bit faster in terms of futures or CFDs? I don't like trading CFDs, but I'm looking at the German index. I never traded it, so the concepts are the same, but this is the German DAX 40, or however you want to call it. It's called GER 40 or whatever. That's the only thing I can trade in terms of futures or not. I'm not giving up on gold yet, so don't worry. We're still doing our stuff with gold, but honestly, I don't know. Let's go over to gold. Okay, so gold is not really doing anything major. Nothing. This is a 4-hour gold. This is a daily gold, which is interesting. The low is 1945.30. There. As a sell side liquidity. So it's very close. If I would have to take a trade on gold, I would say it will go there. And you know what? I might just do that. Now, where is gold? Bunch of stuff here. There's gold. Now this is this account is a completely different one. This is not top step account. This is only a challenge account. 45.30. Okay. And a small trade on gold. Very, very small trade. Okay, so and this one, I just lost a trade on the German index this morning. The account is at 51,130. But don't worry, everything will be fine. And now I'm in a gold trade. I'm gonna put my stop somewhere here. And my TP, I'm not gonna take partials on this one. So I'm short gold. And the reason, I'm just going to explain it now. Because I didn't want it to miss the whole move. That's the whole move actually. Nothing really to explain here. We have a very, very, very beautiful daily BC or buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency right here. There you go. There's no other explanation needed for this, I think. And it wants to tap into that, and I think it will during the New York London session. That was my only reason to take that. Sometimes I just see something like this that is dropping and I don't want to miss the whole move. That's the reason I jumped into gold. Right? Right. Okay. But let's look at the German index again, because I'm interested in trading the German index. It can give us enough volume. We have a daily. We have a daily imbalance here, right above. Right above 15,302-ish level. There is a sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. And also we have the start of a daily BC below 15,068. Now these numbers are not that accurate because it's a CFD, so every Forex broker plays with the numbers, so that it is not that accurate as trading with a regulated futures broker. But I guess you can get the idea what I mean about that. And so far, this is what I'm aiming for. Yeah. No, I'm not aiming for anything. I'm looking for DEX where it wants to go. I had a trade. I'm gonna delete this. but it wasn't successful. Now it took out New York afternoon high. This is the 1 hour. If I go down here, I do like this. I do like this structure shift on the 5-minute. Goes back into this. I'm very tempted to jump into this trade, so let's put a small trade on if I can. It only like, yeah, well, all right, I'm in a short on the German index, and my target would be down here, these lows. Actually, I could use a bigger target than that. Of course I can. Let's measure it. If I use like a 1 to 2, that's 2,000, yeah. Damn it, German index. It wants to go against me. At least the gold trade is running good. Damn it. What the hell is going on? This is beautiful displacement. Structure break. Took out the high. Displacement. Whatever you want. Why is it going up? It should be going down. I hate the German index. Oh man. I have to close it down, man. This is gonna take me out, like just a spike here. If it takes me out, then it's definitely, it wants to go higher. It is rejecting it, yeah. Damn it. It definitely is rejecting. This was the midnight open, sorry. Let me put it a different visualization. So this was the midnight open. No, it's really too much. No. Let's put it a different. So this was the midnight opening, and it is rejecting it. Damn you, German index. Damn you. I thought that, you know, maybe this is going to turn into the classical Judah swing, you know. The classical Judah swing. Like it goes up, everybody go long, and then boom, stakes out the low. That's what I was hoping for. How is gold doing? Gold is almost there. Yeah, exactly. The low here, the low is 45.25. My TP is at 45.49. It should take that out. It have to go. It has to go into that BC, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. So, and I missed my TP with maybe just a few ticks right there. I'm gonna put it to break even just in case, and my commission is covered. So gold is on break even, but the German index, I'm not happy. What the hell is this move, man? What the hell is... Damn it, something's wrong with my microphone. Squeaking, picking up sometimes too much of volume. I don't know what the hell is going on. Oh, we just won. Yeah, thank you. I know. Still, I'm only up net $150 because before the stream I messed it up with the German index trade. So now I'm revenge trading on this account. Guys, we are revenge trading. Anyway, let's check Nasdaq. What the hell? What? Okay. So this is NQ. Beautiful, beautiful. 15-minute NQ. I have to dive down to the 5-minute NQ. 5-minute NQ. Why not close it? I don't know. Why should I? I mean, if it wants to go down, if I'm right with the, let's check it. All right, I don't know. Maybe I should. I'm looking for targets, possible targets on the downside for the German index. I think, by the way, I think this level here was consequent encroachment on the 4-hour with this candle, and this was a perfect rejection. It hit that, boom, and now the next target could be down here. 4-hour BC. Oops. I don't know. I don't know. It is a revenge trade. I'm revenge trading. I'm revenging. I am. I'm a revenger, not an avenger. I'm a revenger. We'll see. If I lose this one, you know what? I made $150 net on this account. If I lose this one, I'm gonna be at break even because there's no commission on the German index. So if I lose this trade for the day, I'm gonna be on break even. So we're gonna leave it at that. We managed the risk, so no problem. We're gonna be at break even. But now the Nasdaq. This is the 5-minute Nasdaq. It's basically a hot steaming pile of bull. You know what? Nothing. Nothing is happening there. If I go down to the 1 minute, it's even worse. Oh my god, this is bad. If I go down to the 30-second, I don't even want to see what's happening. Guys, the Nasdaq is basically not doing anything. And I think the German index is gonna follow. The German index is gonna follow Nasdaq. Nothing is gonna go anywhere at this point. Do we have any news? I don't want to sit here all day. I realized something, guys, by the way. The more you sit in front of your chart, the worse your results are going to be. This is really, really, really important, guys. The more time you are sitting at your chart, I'm gonna do a short video about this. I'm gonna upload it to TikTok or YouTube Shorts or whatever. The more time you sit, chart time is a different thing when you analyze the charts and when you're learning. But when you're trading and you're sitting all day long in front of your charts just to push the button, that's the worst thing. The more time you spend waiting to push the button to trade, your results are gonna be even worse. So you're just going against your odds there. All right, what the hell do we have here? Unemployment claims. Yeah. Okay. No news on what is this? Is somebody talking? Somebody's talking from ECB. Somebody's speaking right now. Okay. ECB lane. Who the? Okay, nobody cares about that. Okay. German index is gonna go behind me, pull down my pants, and do something really nasty, which I don't really like. That's what's gonna happen with the German index. It's going to go behind me and do something not really fun. I mean, it's not going to be fun for me. It might be fun for the German index. That's what's gonna happen, I think. But this is just a challenge account, so who cares? Okay, gold was beautiful. Look at gold. Wow, 1 minute rejection. Look at gold. Gold 1 minute rejection. Let's check it here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Which one was this level again? 95.30 level. Let's put a line here. 95.30 ish, something like that. Rejected this level beautifully. This could be a beautiful long if you guys want to take it. Wow. This can be a beautiful long. I'm not gonna lie, I'm tempted to go long. But I'm not going to go long here because it's just poked into this area, and I have a feeling that it's gonna just dive deeper. It wants to go deeper into that liquidity. I mean, it's a beautiful, this is a classic setup. This is a classic textbook long setup, you know, classic. It doesn't really get any better than this. Classic long. My only problem is that this is down here a daily imbalance, and it's just poked in here. But of course ICT is also saying that even if we just poke one tick into the imbalance and the program is changing, so only one tick can change the whole program. The change is to a buy macro or something like that. So the algos are working together. It can easily change into a buy algo right here. Then it's gonna just go up straight, at least to take out this high. What's the risk reward here? 173. This is the 1 to 2 risk reward here if you want to take it. Beautiful long entry on gold. I am not taking it because I've seen this too many times from gold, and then it's just boom, one more leg down, and then boom, a second leg down, a third leg down, before it actually wants to go back up. So I'm just scared. I'm a chicken. I don't care. My risk is on 0 on this account right now, so I'm not doing anything. What the hell is happening? German index, come on, baby. You guys should check out my blog. Go to pip.ninja or tomsabo.biz and follow me on Twitter. And I'm gonna put some hot top pictures to Instagram for myself. Maybe I'm gonna open up an OnlyFans page too. You know, it's gonna be exciting. So see you guys there. You know, trying to make a living somehow. Maybe I'm gonna sell my armpit hair or my top butter or something. That would be a great business. Okay, what the hell is going on here? You see, now this is what I was talking about. Right, Sarvesh? Of course, that's what I'm gonna do. Multiple source of online income, because that's basically it. Multiple sources of online income. Selling what I can. I'm gonna sell my soul. if I have to, you know, I'm gonna sell my nails, my hair, armpit hair, you know, top butter, whatever. So check it out. It's coming. It's coming, everyone. Oh no. Oh no. German index. German index. It's ready to do me. Finally. The time has come. It's going to do me real hard. Okay. Move to India. You can live like a king with 1,000 a month. Really? Is that so? That's cool. So now I just got almost 900 from Top Step. That's great, man. One monthly payout from Top Step. I'll be living like I can have like 2 or 3 vibes, right? Or whatever. I can do whatever I want. Oh no. German index. It's doing it. It's doing it, guys. I should close it. Save a few bucks. Pretty good life as a bachelor. Wow. Oh. Oh. German index is gonna do me hard right now. Oh no. It's taking me out. Almost. Almost. But I'm smart. I put my stop loss up there. It still doesn't know where to go. Yeah, DEX is... believe it or not, this is the first time I traded DEX since like 2 years, or at least 18 months or something. I want to find something for the morning, because clearly gold is, I don't know. I mean, gold is cool, but well, basically because this trade is technically over and I'm gonna be at break even. I can go long on gold, but oh no, I'm gonna get effed. Yeah, I'm done. I'm still up $5. You guys can't see it. I'm gonna show you. How can I show you? Come on. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm still up $5 for the day. So don't judge me. I'm still up $5. Damn it, Dex. Hello, Teacher FX is here. Good. Nice for you, man. Everyone push the like button. Oh my god, look at Nasdaq. What the hell is going on? Buying Nas at low of the day London during works very well, especially if the larger trend. Yeah, I agree. Which reminds me, because we're on the 5 minute, I want to check the 1 minute. This is Nasdaq, by the way, and look at that. Now we have a nice displacement. I want to check it also on the 30-second chart. 30-second looks good. Now this is my main target, the Nasdaq here. I want to see Nasdaq go all the way up to above 400 minimum. All the way up. Still in profit, so. As soon as Nasdaq is retracing to one of these fair value gaps on the 30-second, and I'm gonna shrink this here. On the left side, it's also Nasdaq, but the 500 tick chart, and we were talking about this in yesterday's stream. Look at that, man. Look at that. As soon as we see a nice retracement, a pullback, I must say, a nice pullback, I'm gonna be ready for it. I want this to go 468. Don't forget what I put it here, up here. There you go. 468. I'm gonna call it here. Oh no. I'm gonna call it here. Nasdaq 468. Can I tweet it? I want to tweet that. I'm going to tweet that. There. I tweeted it. There you go. There's no returning from this one. I called it, guys, live here on the stream. Tweeted it, called it. So there you go. It's going to happen today. Just saying, you know. It's going to happen. And I think this should have been my call for entry. I think I missed it. Damn it. Late entry. 2 points. That's not a big deal. If it retraces back down to 79, 78, I'm gonna add one more. If not, then 82, 92, I'm going to okay, guys, so this is going to be for you. I'm gonna put a video later on for YouTube, and you guys will share it if it happens like this, promise me, okay? This is for my pals here on stream. Hello Teacher FX, Sarvash, NRT Trades. I'm gonna leave this trade until, this is gonna be a real bet, until we are reaching 15,468. So that's my bet. The only thing I have to decide, where should I put my stop? 82, 72. I'm gonna use a wider stop here, just to make sure if it wants to change the structure. Then you know what? This is gonna be my stop. A wide stop at 61, because if it goes below here, then it definitely wants to change some structure. Guys, this trade is for my fellas here. I'm not going to sit here all day long, but I am going to record this. I am not going to take profit on this trade. This is going to be a runner. This is going to be a runner. No take profit on this trade, only here. And just for the sake of it, there. Take profit at 468. There. One contract. This is a combine account. This is a combine account. Actually, I can show you, I think. I can show you. I'm gonna show you, but I don't want to show you all my accounts because I have a few. I have some of I've blown. I don't want you guys to see my blown accounts, because then you won't follow me, and then you will think I'm a loser. And so I don't want you guys to see the accounts I've blown. Okay, so this is the account right now. This here, as you can see, is the same. It started in November. Top Step account. It's a 150k account, by the way. As you can see, right now I am at 155k 300 something. Okay, so the hard stop, actually, you know what, I'm gonna put it a little bit lower. I'm gonna put it to below 60. So 59, 359 is my stop, and my take profit, oh sorry, because there's two, yeah, and my take profit is at 486. And this trade is dedicated to you guys. This is dedicated to you guys. I'm not going to take profit. I'm not going to put it to break even. No break even on this one. And now comes the part like 2 minutes later. I'm just gonna be stopped out. Now what happens if I'm gonna get stopped out? We should talk about that too, because I'm not doing hot top pictures, that's for sure. So I don't know. I don't know, guys. What should we do when I lose this one? How should I punish myself if I lose this trade? Anyway, now you guys can see that this account is working on a combine. This is a combine account again. This is not a funded account. I don't want you guys to see how bad I am on funded accounts. Combine account, okay? If I lose, I'm gonna lose around 270. I'm gonna lose around 440 bucks on this account. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna show you a few accounts that I'm blown. Okay. I'm gonna show you accounts that I do. You guys want to see some accounts that I blown? This is a new account, by the way. This is I started this on the 7th. Trading combine. I'm gonna show you guys a few accounts that I blown. I'm gonna show you the 50k account that I passed. Okay, you guys want to see this? This is really interesting. You guys do want to see this. Look at that. Hold on. Okay, this account I started at the 13th of hold on. I started at the 13th of September. This was a 50k combine account. I started on the 13th. And I had a max loss day there, but then I completed for the 28th. So this was great. Right? So hold on. Here. This was the same account that I blown. This was a funded account, a 50k funded account. Went up to $500, then max loss. Managed to get back to around break even. Max loss, max loss. Boom. I'm just saying I do huge mistakes. Many times. Anyway. Look at that, we're in profit. I can show you guys an Express account. Do you want to see, I mean, a funded account which I'm working on? I'm gonna show you. I don't think you guys are interested because you guys have gone already, so. So this is a funded account right now. I started it not too long ago. And I made $1,772 profit, 5 winning days. That's it. I trade absolutely differently on a fund. I just started it on the 2nd of November. Oh, NQ. Yeah, let's go back to NQ. I'm just boring you guys with all this crap here. Let's put this here. NQ. Let's check NQ. Let's go to NQ. Yeah, so this is NQ. This is my trade for you. I called it out live on Twitter. I called it out here live on the stream. This, so the question, do you think it could retrace or it's gone? Let's check the 1 minute on the right side. Nothing. Let's check the 5 minute on the right side. Yes, it can definitely retrace. It can definitely retrace. It can go all the way down to almost to my entry point. It has the potential. I mean, how many handles is this? 82, 92. Over 80 handles, guys. 80 points on this trade. If I'm right. Yeah. $80 points, if I'm right. But I called it out. What the hell is going on here? Oh yeah, this is the MetaTrader, whatever. Let's check TradingView. What is going on with the German index? I'm very curious. Now look at that. I think the German index is definitely looking for to the upside, just like NQ does. It wants to go for the daily CB. So if the German index wants to go to the daily CB, who am I to stop it, right? I'm not the guy who wants to stop German index to go further up. So with that note, I'm just gonna jump into German index trade. Not now, but you know what? Position size calculator, whatever. How far is this? This is 60, 30. Yeah, let's jump in. Alright, I'm in. I didn't wait for it to retrace. It can go down and retrace into this level. My TP is all the way up 304. I'm in a long on German index, but this is a completely different account. Why is it set to auto arrange? I don't get it. Why? Because you guys don't see it now. Yeah. So I'm in a long, but this is a completely different account. It does seem like the index futures want to go bullish. So I was break even for the day until this time, but now this is the real thing. We kind of want to go into that fair value gap here, and I do want to see it go back up there. So NQ is retracing, hopefully. Yeah, it is. It's retracing. Nevertheless, I call this out. So if I lose this bet, then I'm gonna just delete my tweet, and you guys will never know. I'm gonna delete the VOD, I'm gonna delete the tweet, and it's like it never happened, so I was never wrong. It's that simple. So I win anyways. Maybe I should do like separate tweet and call out the lower level, and whichever gets to the point, I just delete the other. Damn, that's what I should have done. You know what? I'm gonna call out 15,030 300. I mean 300, right? I'm gonna tweet it out, and I'm gonna delete the one which fails, and then I'm going to retweet it everywhere that I said it. I was the one who called it out. Yeah, I'm ready for that, right? Classic Lambo Guru stuff. I should do that. I'm gonna call it. I already called for 468. I'm gonna tweet another one. I'm gonna call it for 301. Okay? And I'm just gonna delete the other one which fails. I think I'm gonna have so much followers in a week or in a day. It's gonna go viral. And I should do a video in my live right now, because I'm gonna delete the VOD anyways. That okay, cut. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it out now. I'm calling it to 15,310. That's it. Cut. Okay. So I'm gonna cut the previous one and this one, and whichever wins, I'm gonna be a guru. It's that simple. Course. And I'm gonna be selling a trading course for $2,000, only for 50 spots available, no more. And it's gonna be $1,997, and it's gonna be a mini course where I basically teach you how to use support and resistance or whatever. Or I'm just gonna point you with the link to ICT's YouTube. That's what it's gonna be about. And I think that's it. Oh, hold on. I'm just gonna order. There's a new Lambo place here in Budapest, in my country, so I'm just gonna call them. Make sure to order one. Just want to know how much deposit do I have to make to have one ordered up. Good times, right? Good times. Look at that. $1,997. Look at that. German index is effing me up again. I'm not taking more trades after this on this account. Yeah, of course. Exactly. Oh my god, look at this. This is very bad. I should close it up. Anyway, who cares? Yeah, I should close it up. It's only 20 bucks now. So, I'm not taking more trades on this account this session because it's just crazy. Or maybe I will. But basically this should have been my first trade, because yeah, I was at break even. I'm closing it now. Okay, so now we are down. I am down $242, which is equal to one trade, which I wanted to do. And look at that. Look at that. I was preaching about this trade, and I was saying, oh, I'm not gonna take it. I said it's gonna go here. I exactly called out this level. I said this is the perfect entry. Textbook 1 to 2. There you go. Boom. I am almost. What's the minus 2% on your account? How can I get to profit when I don't have trades? Yeah. Dude, look at this. How stupid I am. I called this out. I tapped into this and boom. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. My Nasdaq trade seems like it's just not gonna work out. When is he speaking, by the way? I'm curious. Oh yeah, it's gonna be later on the afternoon, US afternoon. Oh no. Oh yeah. Damn it, NQ. It's seek and destroy right now. It's seek and destroy. I used to have much more success in the New York session. It's terrible. Actually, I think as I'm looking on my other screen on the 1 and 5 minute and the 15-minute chart, especially on the 5 and the 1 minute, this is gonna go below my stop eventually. This is just a clear seek and destroy move. They just, I mean, as much as I can see this, they just want to squeeze out all the longs and shorts here in London session. They just want to squeeze it out. Yeah, 8 p.m. 8 p.m. For me in my time. In New York time, it's gonna be 4 p.m. because I live in Central Europe. Well, I called it. And you know what? Just for the sake of content, I might do a short video or something as a sarcastic video for the gurus. Yeah, maybe. Let's see if we have any order block. Also 5 p.m. We're in the same time zone. Yeah. So even if it fails, I'm going to put a tweet out that, hey, I called NQ for this and this level live on stream and it failed. And I'm going to, maybe I should put this post as a reply to some super high-tech guru's post or something. I don't know. I put it to a reply to a guru, to a Lambo guru, and then I'm going to retweet it. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. It fails. Pretty much seems like it will. Oh my god, the microphone is terrible. I see the amplifier jumping to crazy magnitude here, and I don't know. It's a cheap microphone, but I don't really know how to. I don't know what to do with it. It's a cheap microphone. I bought it for like $18. I'm not joking. It's not even a joke. It was like 20 bucks or something. Maybe I should buy a better one since I'm a super trader, right? But until this time, this was working correctly. I mean, it I'm going to sell it. Yeah. Well, you know, I bought it for $18. You guys want to buy it for 10? And you know, this is you can tell that I can, sign it for you, and you can tell it that okay, when I will be Just rotate it to what? JK maybe. Just rotate it for like 90 degrees. I'm not gonna touch it because I'm gonna break it. I don't know. I'm gonna fix it later on in the afternoon because I'm just too bad in this. What else do we have? I missed gold. Don't F me up, come on. Okay, it would have taken me out, I guess. This would have been my stop. Then it went back up. I'm gonna eat my shoes if it will go back up here. This pair is the German index. Sorry, this is the German index. I didn't trade it since yeah, maybe rotating will help. I don't know. Maybe if I rotate it, zone test. Okay, maybe from this angle, maybe this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle. I'm watching my amplifier. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna fix it later. So this is the German index right here. I didn't trade it since like forever, and I needed a pair which gives me an instrument to market which gives me enough volume to trade in the London session, because clearly NQ is not giving me enough volume in the London session. Of course, this trade is going to be a success. I know that. I see the amplifier sometimes is jumping into extremes, and sometimes it just barely picks up my volume, my sound, my voice. Anyway, so this is the German index, and I'm aiming for it to target the highs here. This is the daily. This is a daily imbalance up there. But since NQ is going down, I think German index will follow. Oh my god, look at that. My microphone has gone crazy. But let's check higher time frames on NQ. All right. So this is a 5 minute. Let's go to 15 minute. Look at this mess. Yesterday high is still up there. This is consequent encroachment of the 1 hour candle. I'm going to show you right here. Yeah, it could have been manipulation easily. Now this here is the 60 minute NQ, and it pretty much seems like it's going to take me out from my position. If it goes down, we have a small imbalance here below 45. Consequent encroachment here on the 60 minute. Otherwise, I don't see any direction. By the way, just to make it serious for you guys, I would have not taken any of these trades on my funded accounts. So on my live personal account or on my funded accounts, I would have not taken any of these trades, nor the DAX or the NQ trade, because as you can see, we're just basically in a hot pile of mess. What the hell is this music, man? So I would have not taken any of these trades. This is a 1 minute NQ. Not looking good. Most likely we're gonna get stopped out. Yeah, it's not the day for that. Yeah, it's not that day. I'm gonna eat a sandwich after this one. Let's check the tick chart. Yeah, it's definitely bearish. The left one is a 500 tick chart on NQ. Not looking good. Honestly, I would like to close this one just to minimize my loss. I know it's a trading combine, but why would I throw out another $100 for nothing? But it's like 90% chance that it's gonna spike down. It's 5 points to my stop, so it's pretty clear that it's gonna take it out. But since I made the bet, I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it because it's a bet. We're professional gamblers, you know. Oh no, NRT, you're leaving me. Well, yeah, I think you did the best thing, NRT. I mean, this London morning is just not worth it. The only good thing which I didn't take was the gold trade, because I was a chicken to trade this one. This was a beautiful classic trade with a 1-to-2 risk reward, and I didn't take it. And you know what? F this. I'm short on because it's a challenge account. I'm short on the German index. And I think the NQ is taking me out already, almost. Not yet. Anyway. Oh my god, so many windows open. I'm short on the German index, but I'm gonna be watching it closely with a tight stop, just to see how it goes. If it starts to consolidate and maybe go up, I'm just gonna close it. So the only reason, if you ask yourself, what the hell am I doing? Yeah, Powell is messing up the whole market. I think Powell is just he's messing up everything. So you might be asking, what the hell am I doing, like trading all this stuff? And I cannot state it enough that when I decided to continue streaming, which I love being here with you guys on YouTube, I decided I am not going to trade my live or funded accounts on YouTube Live. But I'm going to trade challenge or combine accounts, and I do trade them super aggressively. So that's what's happening. So this account is at $51,000. It's a 50K account. I don't care what happens. And that gives me a mind state, kind of a clear We must get rid of him. Yeah, don't say something like that. We're gonna get red flagged or something. No, Paolo is cool. He's a cool man. We love him. We're gonna kiss him. We're gonna hug him. We love Paolo. You know, we love what he's doing. I'm sure he's a gentleman. He's a great guy. I would play golf with him. You know, go out and say, "Hey, Jerome, how's your day, Jerome? How was your day, Jerome? Jerome? How hard they pals are calling him? Hey, Jerome, or hey, Jerry, or Jero. You wanna go and play some golf maybe, or let's eat a steak together. Maybe we can talk about world economics." And I'm gonna turn on my microphone or something. I mean, I see he's a cool guy. He seems like a gentleman. So this account, yeah, we love him, especially when he comes out and say the English higher than expected, and then the market. Yeah, that's the best time we love him, because we know he really, he's honest. Let's face it, quote unquote, he's honest. Oh damn! This almost got back up. We're gonna lose this trade. I care a little bit more about this combine account than this account here. Oh yes, the next sentence is but. That's how it does it exactly. The way to fix it, and their market, yeah, that is exactly how he does it. He starts with, yeah, the economy this is bad and that is bad and inflation is bad and yes, that's also bad and blah 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 is bad, and there comes the magic word, but we're doing this and that that it is going to be just fine. That's what it does. Everything is going to be super and fine because we're fighting it. We're doing everything, and we're putting this and this in place, and this is going to be super great for everyone. And then exactly when the market just takes off, and yeah. So he's an optimistic guy. So he's a cool guy. We love him. He's optimistic. And as you guys noticed, I'm technically hedging for my trades. On one account, I'm trading long on NQ, and the other account, I'm short on DEX. So what I'm doing here is pure madness. So again, if someone is new, please drop a like and subscribe. On the other hand, I must repeat myself that these are challenge and combine accounts which I'm trading super aggressively. I am not even daring to touch my live or funded accounts in this hot piece of mess, which is today's London session. I'm not trading live or funded in this mess. But I do trade it in my Discord channel. I stream it there, and we can talk there. We can share ideas, and I have some suggestions there how I'm approaching the markets. I have my weekly outlook posted there. Every detail from my funded and live accounts of how I'm doing it, what's the balance, how I'm doing, blah blah blah. And that's why you should go and subscribe to my pip.ninja Discord membership. Of course, for $48 per month or $197 for a lifetime. But first of all, let me say, I'm not a guru, I don't have a Lambo, and I barely make a living from trading. And the purpose of this Discord membership is to support me, which is really the truth, because I solely try to live from this and only this, and I do need the support. So I tried Patreon, but it's kind of a difficult, and I don't really like that. But again, let me state that no guarantees. I'm an idiot. I don't know how to trade really. I have a few funded accounts, and I just took out some money today from TopStep. But otherwise, I'm a degenerate idiot trader. Do not take any advice from me. But if you would like to accompany me on the daily basis and watch my live funded accounts to be traded and share some thoughts, vice versa, and I can give you some mini courses, trade analysis, weekly stuff, and some peeks into my personal life, I would like to appreciate your support if you would join me on my Discord membership. So this was the commercial. What I'm doing here, again, if someone just tapping in, I'm shorting the DEX on this challenge account, but it already F'd me over today, so I'm down with a little bit less than 0.5%. On the other account at TopStep, I'm long. So yeah, I called this out live. This would be great. I'm gonna make a complete video if this would just go up there and reach the target. That would be really something. How long am I here? 1.5 hours. Nothing's gonna happen, guys. Alright. F you, Dex. I'm closing it. Okay. I'm down $424 on this account, so thank you, Dex. Thank you so much. I was an idiot, and no trades on this account. This session, at least. Almost at 51K. $50,908. So at this. But as I said, I do care more about my NQ trading combine account, or TopStep trading combine. Unfortunately, the way things are, I'm looking on the 5-minute as well. NQ does seem like it can also drop sharply from here, so I don't really like this move, not yet, at least. Oh my god. What the hell, man? Alright. I know what you're gonna say. I don't care. Okay. You guys know Bill Sasso from Mad TV? He was on Mad TV like 10-15 years ago. He was a very good Arnold Schwarzenegger impersonator, and he was also impersonating Kenny Rogers, Steven Seagal. You should search for him on YouTube. Somehow I just remembered him. Damn you. Damn you, Nasdaq. Nasdaq Dex. Nasdaq is cool. We love Nasdaq. It's going our way. We love Nasdaq. Oh my god. take forever. Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna put a buy limit order right there. I want price to not to go down. I want it to go up, to reach into that liquidity up there. I wanted that. I want it. Okay, this risk is acceptable for me. If it goes down, I can accept this. Let's check again. Daily chart on the German index. I do hope that this one is gonna go all the way up there. High point is 304. I am just going to put the TP to 304. There. Alright, that's cool. Perfect. Perfect. Picture perfect. That's what we're looking for. Great. Great, great, great. Alright guys, I don't know what else to say. I think I'm gonna call it because you know, what else to do here? I put on my best trade, I called it out on Twitter, and so let's see what it does. Anyway guys, thank you so much for being here. I have some stuff to do. Special thanks to NRT, Hello Teacher, FX, and Sarvesh, of course. You guys are amazing. Thank you for being here. I will try to fix my microphone for the next time. Sorry for the sound that sometimes it's loud and everything. Have a great day. I'm gonna be trading in my Discord as well in the afternoon. New York session is coming. Made a small withdrawal from Top Step, so I'm very happy. And that's it. Everyone, enjoy the day, the evening, the afternoon, the morning. Have an awesome day. This is gonna be one of the best days. You will see. So, see you guys next time. Cheers, everyone. Love you all. I love you guys.